It's not every day that you get to really pull back the curtain and see behind an operation what's really going on. If you've been tracking me online and you know that I've got thousands of partners and I've transacted a couple $1 billion worth of real estate, I'm letting you know that I just made a secret announcement to a handful of my partners, and it is tearing it up. I basically took my one-on-one partnership and leveled it up to a point where we're now producing $1,000 a month cash flows on every single property instead of rentals producing $200 or $300. So I thought for fun what I'd do is I'd pull back the curtain for you as well and basically have you take a look at what I'm doing with my partners, because you are likely in a position to do the same thing. Your number one asset that you've never thought of ever using is the equity in your home. And why would you? You're just gonna increase your payment, you're gonna hurt your family financially, you're gonna carry an extra financial burden. But what I just dropped on my partners is a guarantee that I'm covering their payment for them. It's helping them invest more. And now it's giving 5 and 10-year game plans to financial freedom, which if you think about it, that is a very short time horizon, especially in a world where we've got AI in the next few years that's gonna take over the white collar jobs. We've got robots that are gonna take over the blue collar jobs. We're gonna have this crazy global crisis of people wanting work and not being able to find it, which is why now is the perfect time for you to do something about it. Like now is the time for you to say, hey, this is on the horizon. The World Economic Forum, they came out and they predicted by the year 2030 that 92 million of our 250 million jobs are going to be gone to AI. That's just in 4 years, and robots are coming in tow really quick. So I'm gonna pull back the curtain. I'm gonna let you see what I'm doing with my partners, and it might be the right time for you to create your own 5 or 10-year game plan.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go!
Got a question for you. Are you making the most out of our partnership together? Because if you're like a lot of my partners, you probably start with a 401k, maybe an IRA, you bought a few homes, and now you're in this weird waiting game, right? That's a part of the game plan. You're basically waiting for appreciation and growth, waiting for rates to come down, waiting for property values to go up, waiting on retirement, waiting for someday. And the truth is that path can feel painfully slow, especially when I originally gave you like a 20-year game plan. Meanwhile, you might actually be sitting on one of the most powerful wealth building tools that you already own, but you haven't fully used it yet, and there's a reason why. And this is the equity in your home. Now, I get it. I just gotta pause and say that most people hear that and they immediately think, no chance, too risky, that's my sacred cow. Because the moment you touch that HELOC, you're creating a new payment. Your expenses are going up. And with traditional rentals, the math usually doesn't solve the problem. The cash flow is not worth that monthly payment on your HELOC. Bottom line, using your HELOC and losing money every month, that creates stress, a lack of financial peace. We don't need that. That's actually why this is such a big deal. Because what we're doing today is different than when you originally became my partner and got started with me in this business. What I'm doing right now, and you probably heard a little bit about it, is I'm converting my entire portfolio over to lease options. And it's gonna take a couple of years for this to happen. You might be in a position to take immediate advantage. Some people are gonna have to wait a little bit because we've got a ramp up process, and I really want you to clue into this because there's a way for you to go faster with what I'm about to share. This lease option strategy, this is what made me financially free literally 20 years ago. And after years of refining it, we finally figured out how to do the same kind of thing with the homes that we're buying out of state. And that's a story for a different day. But here's the difference. The difference in cash flow between a rental and a lease option is totally different. Instead of $200 or $300 a month, these properties are producing $800, $900, $1,000 or more every single month. Sometimes literally quadrupling the cash flow. It's wild. Now let me put that in really simple terms. If a property is producing around $1,000 a month in positive cash flow, and your HELOC payment might be $400 or $500, then that property can easily cover that payment and still leave very meaningful income left over. And now we have enough income left over to start doing monthly distributions. This game pays you. And this ultimately means that the property itself can actually cover a typical HELOC payment and still leave all that leftover meaningful income that you can start getting paid out on monthly. And that's why the strategy matters so much in today's market and economy, because right now, the deals that work are the ones that are built around real monthly income. Appreciation, it's gonna happen with time. But cash flow, this is what gives you that stability and that mailbox money. You see, people, they're always gonna need places to live, affordability is still tight, and that demand creates real opportunity for properties that are structured the right way, or now a better way. And that's why we're focusing on deals where the numbers work from day one, where the property produces real income every single month instead of relying on hope, speculation. Because when the asset is generating strong cash flow, the property carries the investment instead of the investor carrying the property. But I didn't just stop here, because I know that the real fear isn't just the math. The real fear really is that monthly payment, which is why I want to answer this question. Who's responsible if something goes wrong, or if it takes longer to rent out a property, or if there's turnover? That's why I created something brand new called the HELOC Backstop Program. This is the part that changes everything. And as my partner, this is something that is now just free to you. It's an add-on, it's a bonus. Because I'm not just going to make your HELOC payment. I'm going to actually guarantee that payment. I literally have a brand new accounting team whose entire function in their job is literally just making HELOC payments, because I have a ton of my partners that have gotten wind of this and they have jumped on the bandwagon. That team is going to make sure that we're making those payments every single month out of your Swan Reserve account. And by the way, when we sell a lease option, collect $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 up front, and we collect those rent premiums, it replenishes it, so we're going to be good. This is free money to you out of my pocket, because I'm actually saying I'll commit some of my cash flow, just like a portion of yours, and let's make sure we cover that HELOC no matter what. Bottom line, I got you covered. Now, what the HELOC Backstop Program does is it removes the biggest obstacle that people are having when it comes to using their home equity. The fear is that their personal income is going to get stuck carrying that burden. And instead, the structure of this deal is designed so that the asset does the heavy lifting for you. So now I want you to think about it, what it means for your timeline, because we're taking these 20-year game plans and now I'm cutting them in half. You see, if your HELOC allows you to acquire 2 homes, let's say, and let's say those 2 homes are paying an over $1,000 a month collectively after covering the HELOC, that's increasing that distribution that can now go out the door every single month. Now we're building monthly income. And 5 years later, when those homes are sold and that HELOC gets paid off, we redeploy that capital and then we buy, let's call it 4 homes that are now producing $50,000 a year. This is getting serious. And that's what we're seeing with partners right now with their timeframes, is they're compressing them. And 5 years later, those 2 homes have turned into 4. Now if they're turning into 8 homes producing $100,000 a year, now we're getting to the kind of money that is walk away from a job money. Listen, when you first partnered with me, I didn't have anything nearly this powerful. But I do now. I hope you like that little sneak peek. If you're not one of my partners and you're kind of intrigued, like, okay, this might be something worth looking into, click the link below, fill out the form, talk to my team. Let's see what possibilities might exist between a synergy in our partnership helping you achieve financial freedom in the next decade.